Well, I think we all know that digital technologies and communication technologies are changing many things in many people's lives. Not everybody's life, but many people in the world are connected. And that's changing many things in their lives, including possibly, and we're starting to see it in a lot of markets, access to financial services. Yes, I think the changes do mean we have to rethink how we think and talk about financial inclusion. I mean, I think one of the things that's really important at CGAP is that we want to think about financial inclusion in terms of the value it brings, not in a numbers counting way. I think there is a little bit of a trend in our world that is means that people are trying to count how many people are financially included, which has some benefits, but it also means we might start to include people or link to people in ways that aren't necessarily healthy for them. So we're much more focused on how to bring value and to make finance useful in people's lives, as opposed to just simply linking them to finance. Yeah, so I mean, the classic model of a bank or a microfinance institution going out and setting up a branch and putting an ATM network and doing it all on their own, that model still exists, it still has validity. But where things are changing is really in this digital realm where we can reach people remotely through data, through the internet and over the mobile phone. And so new business models are emerging as we speak. That allow non-traditional players to come in and play different roles, and changing the way that you actually link between financial service providers and clients. And that means you'll get several institutions involved in the delivery of services. It won't just be one financial institution. Someone might manage the agent network, someone else might manage the digital interface. There may be yet another organization that actually does the lending and takes the credit risk or holds the deposit. So we're just going to start to see new kinds of models emerge, and it won't be the classic, I build a bank and I grow by adding branches and acquiring new clients entirely by myself and from my own effort. I think that'd probably be a little bit less of that.